BJP-led Indian government has deployed a new elite force in the occupied Kashmir to intimidate the Kashmiris, advocating for the UN-recognized right to self-determination. This specialized force, modeled after the US Marines, comprises 960 highly trained policemen initially deployed in the villages near the line of control. 560 personnel are stationed in the Jammu division and the remainder in the Kashmir Valley. Illegally detained senior leader of the APHC Shabir Ahmad Shah, paying glowing tributes to the Shaheed Burhan Muzaffar Wani on his martyrdom anniversary, hailed his unparalleled sacrifice for the freedom movement. He termed Burhan Wani as an icon of resistance. Shabir Ahmad Shah also highlighted the plight of the Kashmiri prisoners detained the before and after August 5, 2019. Posters commemorating the martyrdom anniversary of Burhan Wani have been displayed in the various areas of the Kashmir, urging remembrance and tribute to his sacrifice. Notably, Burhan Wani, along with two other associates, was martyred by the Indian troops during a fake encounter in Kokarnag area of the Islamabad district on July 8, 2016. US-based World Kashmir Awareness Forum launched a digital truck campaign across the Washington, D.C., advocating for the Kashmiris' right to self-determination. WKAP leaders Dr. Ghulam Mir and Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai highlighted the disparity between the US freedom and the repression faced by the Kashmiris under the Indian rule.